How it started.
Snow, 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 snow. Go party, it's a snow day. You won't be tardy cause it's a snow day. You can sip hot chocolate cause it's a snow day. And you don't have to do your homework, it's a snow day.
How it ended.
In the tub, coffee in my mug. Mama Nature's dropping snow and your school is staying shut. If you're into wearing sweats and you're into wearing Uggs, come get real snug cause nothing's opening up. When you pull the shades up, you'll see snow on your shrub. When I say a couple feet will pile up. When I say it's a snow day,
Hot chocolate and school cancellation kind of day. Hashtag snow day.
Look homie, the season's changed, snow's down, feet up. I'm telling folks to wear a coat so that they don't freeze up.
Things we do in Africa that does not make sense to the rest of the world.
I used good old Niger broom to dust snow off my car.